Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome back to another video. So, today's video, I would like to share some tips on how to easily make a foreign country your home. So, as you know, if you have been following me for some time, I am currently in Brazil and I have moved here 5 years now. And I have easily made Brazil my home. And I would like to share how you can make a foreign country your home. So, one of the most important things about moving into a country that the language is very different to yours, it's important to learn the language. And one of the best ways I felt at home or I feel at home here in Brazil is because I have learned the language. Not only did it help me to navigate daily tasks, but it also helped me to connect with the locals and immerse myself in the culture. Some other important ways that you can easily make a foreign country your home is by taking the time to explore the local culture and traditions, attend festivals, try new foods, and participate in local events. This will help you understand and appreciate the culture and make you feel more at home. Meet new people, very important. Meet new people from your host country by joining clubs, taking classes, or volunteering. You'll learn more about the culture and make lasting friendships. Create a routine. Create a daily routine that makes you feel comfortable. This could include things like going for a run in the morning or cooking your favorite meal. Having a routine can help you feel more at home in an unfamiliar place. Keep in touch with loved ones. It's important to keep in touch with loved ones back home, especially in the beginning. They can provide emotional support and help you feel connected to your home country. Get involved in your community. Get involved in your local community by volunteering, joining clubs or groups, and participating in local events. This will help you feel connected to the place you're living and make you feel like you belong. My friends, be open minded. Be open minded and willing to try new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. This will help you learn and grow as a person and make you feel more at home. Embrace the small differences. Embrace the small differences that make your host country unique. It's those small differences that make traveling and living abroad such a unique and enriching experience. Appreciate the little things. Take the time to appreciate the small things that make your host country special. This could be a beautiful sunset, a delicious meal, or a friendly stranger. My friends, embrace the experience. Remember that living in abroad is a unique and rewarding experience, so embrace it and make the most of your time in a foreign country. I know that making a foreign country your home can be challenging, but by taking the time to learn the language, explore the culture, and create a routine, you can make the transition easier and make it feel like home. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.